Yeah. Good evening. How are you?
Good evening, ma'am. I'm fine. I am exceptionally well, ma'am. Thanks for asking. How are you?
Yeah, everything is hunky dory at my place. Thank you so much for your concern, and I'm so much happy to have you here. Okay, so as this is our first time, so we should introduce ourselves.
Okay. So, start.
Your voice is breaking. Hello.
Voice is breaking.
Yeah, now it's fine. Okay, so I am Jyoti Mishra. I am basically from Bihar. Currently, I live in Pune. I am working in a corporate sector. And if I talk about my hobbies, I have lots of hobbies, but nowadays I want to improve myself. That's why I want to indulge myself in English. That is the reason I have also created my YouTube channel to improve my communication skills. Along with that, I like reading and traveling. That's all about me in nutshell. Now, so
Again,
yes, we can start. So I would love to know about yourself. Could you introduce yourself?
sure. I am Neelam Dhingra. I am from Delhi. I had done my graduation master, BA, and now this time I'm professionally I'm an English teacher. If I talk about my hobbies, I am an elephant person, avid reader, and I have also plethora hobbies, but due to lack of time, it's not easy to pursue all the hobbies. So that's the reason. And we both are YouTuber, and we usually upload the English content for the English learner. And I have a Hindi channel also, like this for the conversation for the good topic on the good topics. And this little bit nutshell from my side.
Okay, lovely. So you have managed two channel, right? You are
Yes,
managing two channel at the
yes,
same. So one is for English and one is for Hindi.
Hindi. Yes.
Okay, lovely. So I want to know something about your journey. How have you started your YouTube channel and your English journey?
Yeah, if I talk about my English journey, I have been in this journey for 1.5 years, almost 1 year. But now I am started my YouTube channel in November 25. After then, I was very much busy in my channel and uploading the video and learning process for the learning process. But thing is that for a few week back, 1 week back, 1 week back, my all the data and all the subscribers name deleted because of my phone got virus. So I had to clean it. So that's the reason all the my data cleaned. So this time I have just created a new channel, uh, 4 5, I think 1 week back. So now I am again on my track. So I am now in the full of I am on the peak that just to upload more and more videos so that I can catch my position, my level again. It's a little bit difficult because I have to put lot of efforts to again get the same level and subscribers. Anyhow, so can't do.
So how many subscribers you have earlier?
Around 400, ma'am.
Okay, you had 400 subscribers. Yeah.
500 videos were there.
Okay. So you couldn't log in on the same account?
Yeah, no, I log in same account, but what happened when I cleaned and after that I put my ID, but it was not accepting from the Google also. They were denying to accepting this my ID because they were saying that the channel created maybe in November. Okay, might be November, but the ID had already created again 2 years back. I think which phone I used then that time I forgot. That's the reason there is no sign. Uh, the Google was not ready to accept because there is no sign of the any phone and any other thing. So they were asking my previous phone. I forget which were I have had that time, and that's the reason now they are not accepting my. Even though I mailed. to the Google also, but they are not responding. Now I have to create a new channel, so it's waste. It's no useful to waste our time. So that's the reason.
Yeah, you will get again your subscriber, don't worry. But yes, the effort you will have to put.
Yeah, my efforts to
Yeah,
gone in vain.
it was wasted. But yeah, what can we do? It's not in our hands
Yes,
sometimes.
yes,
We'll
yes,
have to
ma'am.
accept. I have visited your channel and you are doing great. And I must say, the way you explain some words, some topic, so you will get again your subscriber because
Thanks for
because
sorting words. Really, I need it badly.
yeah, correct. Because everything needs time. But yes, you are doing great, so you will get. And the virus is not in our hand. Sometimes this is electrical device. Sometimes this is out of control. So what can we do?
So, ma'am, when you have created your channel?
It's been 2 months back. I have created my channel, but I am not that much consistent. I don't upload daily video because I am working in a corporate sector, so I don't have time daily to upload video. Today it's my off, so I am available. Otherwise, I am not available daily.
I
I
think.
had,
Yes,
I
ma'am.
had,
Yes, yes.
so
Please, please,
then
please.
yeah, so I created my channel. Earlier I was totally new. I was not aware of anything. I was not aware how to upload, how to have session. But later on, my husband, he helps me a lot. Earlier he did everything for me, but now I have learned how to record video and how to upload. So now I do everything on my own, but earlier I was not aware anything. So yes.
Lot of people, lot of members are ready to create the channel, but due to thumbnail and the editing and how to upload, they don't know. That's the reason they dragging back their self. This is
Correct.
the reason, and it is takes a lot of time also. If we upload one video only for short, it takes some at least if if our shorts are ready, short video is ready, even then it takes 20 minutes. And if we first we shoot and then we upload, it means it take 35 minutes around. Oh my God! And sometimes 1 hour when we do anything wrong, then we have to do it again.
Do it
We
again.
have to go again. Yeah, yeah.
It
This
takes time.
takes
and
time, and
and
everybody don't have a lot of time to spend. So sometimes the for the homemakers is very tough task to go for the YouTube channel. But anyhow, are so many homemakers are now in the this journey.
yeah, in the I watched last 6 months, there are lots of YouTubers, especially female. They are doing their household chores, every work, then they are creating their channel, they upload video, they are learning. So I think it's very good thing. They are learning.
Good thing, it's good thing.
Everybody should learn.
Some homemakers get the little time in the afternoon, then they think that okay, why to waste time? We can upload the videos. If they are in had good at Hindi, they go to the Hindi. Some have the other like some are yoga teacher, some are like other teacher. So they started their journey from that YouTube journey. It's a good like now these days it is the bread. It is good for the bread and butter.
Correct. And in this way, you are also learning. Your channel will grow. At the same time, you are also growing. So you are killing two birds with the same stone. So I believe it is very good, and it is very easy to catch. We have access to YouTube creation and Zoom access free of cost. Then Geo Meet, everything is free.
Everything is free. But now, but on the YouTube platform now, competition is going very high. You don't get immediately like and the subscribe. You have to put lot of efforts. Earlier, that like not like that. Subscribers and the peoples are not that much into. They don't think about that so much. They just press the button for the subscribership. But now these days, they think twice to to go for the subscription.
Although it's free of cost, but still they think. Whether
They think, yeah,
should
they
I
don't want to
subscribe or
put lot of stress on their phone. Maybe they now they think twice to press for the subscription. Earlier that time, earlier the subscribers to get the subscribers not that tough task, but now
yeah.
it's little bit tough. Mm. And that the reason, and the YouTube team also going to be very strict, very strict. Now I have upload just one day before I uploaded a video which was simple, and there is no my contribution in that. So my video they set aside only going. It's showing that it publicly gone, but there is no view. There is no view. Only one or two view, and like whole the day it remain like this. Then I got to know maybe the now YouTube team now going to stick. They want to their contribution in the video. That's the reason we have to put little bit efforts. We have to show ourselves in the video.
So,
Then I get
what
to
was
know.
the topic? What was the topic of that video?
Simple, there's a picture, like very filthy, very nervous, very confused. Like this type of I have little bit picture, and there's 10 or 12 pictures with the action. So it was so easy to for the beginner. Upload it, but they set aside only for three views I got, and I got to know that they want that the person should be top in the video. After then I put next video which I was in their picture, and I was speaking about the picture description picture. Then they set it for the not publicly that they're showing that their picture is going to public, but there is no view. But after that, I got 200 views.
Okay. So I
Now this
think
then we got to know the YouTube team also get to now these days to be very stringent and strict because there's lot of channel. Everybody
yeah.
going to created channel, only channel. If you ask anybody, they have already channel.
Yes.
So,
Channel is
so
very common in
now everybody
nowadays. I
mm,
think everybody have a channel.
channel.
If you
If
will
you-
connect, most of the people they think yes, I have channel, I have channel. They will say.
mm,
I also
if
realize.
someone urged me 1 year back to told me that okay, uh, create your channel, Neelam, if you have any skill. But then I thought that, oh my God, it's not my cup of tea. How it is not difficult, it's difficult for me. That time I was not too much into this type of YouTube and channel and or for that platform. But now the thing is that if I would have opened channel that time, it would be good for me. Now this time I settled, got the level also, and the because we have to make the space on the YouTube channel, and it takes at least 7, 8 months, 9 months, sometimes 1 year also. So that time if I started, then now this time I feel little bit easy. It's okay, but but
Yeah.
if it's just going too much, means to say that the company is very high.
Yeah, there is lots of channel. I can realize the same things as you mentioned. I couldn't agree more. Everybody has some channel. They want to learn, so they have a channel.
They have that. They
So
have.
that's why you don't get too much view sometimes, subscription, because there are lots of channel and
Yeah.
people watch lots of videos.
Those
Earlier, earlier it was limited, so the
limits.
view was
And
high.
no too much restrictions and rules from the YouTube team. But now they set lot of rule and regulations. And if they are you are not follow, they just send you notice. You have to follow the notice. So that's the
Yes. Okay, so what do
now
you do to improve yourself learning English? What you
now
do
this
like?
day if I say this day because my now I have created new channel. I'm just after my channel because now I am lack of getting the not getting the right time, too much ample time to I'm not getting the ample time for my learning also. Even though learning is going on because of the conversation, I usually do the conversation. I take the session and I upload the video. But this is not too much. I think we have to we have to go extra mile for our learning go because it sometimes we could speak very nice words, but sometimes we are not able to. In the conversation also, we do not speak too much words. So part of that, I think now I am thinking after little bit getting the right level on my YouTube platform. After then I will go for that. So now these I have left my uh, this time learning person all these things for the time being I quit. But now after that I'm again joining again going to my to grab my track.
Yes. And I think we struggle in speaking mostly. So you, if you upload video, you speak something. So you are doing your speaking practice.
Yeah. It's
So you
going
are,
on. Yeah, it's going on. It's but because of there is no expression, new idioms, daily basis. You feel that I usually get a lot of idioms and new expression. When I think, then I feel that oh my god, I am missing the boat because those the this channel and but I can't. We can't, but I can't satisfy my quota. I have to attend this thing also. And after that, when I get the right level, definitely I go for my learning process again. Even though it's going on, but still little bit. I want to put extra efforts to get more and more vocabulary and the idioms.
yeah, I have watched some of your videos. Like you take Priyanka Chopra some clips and you explain them. It's very nice way to express. So how you do? I want to know.
Thank you. Thank. I just take two or three clipping and just explain, ma'am.
So from where you take clips?
Uh, Sometime I get sometime not too much in the Facebook.
Okay, then you take on your
No,
editing
it is
apps.
not easy to take from the Facebook. You can't take the anything from the Facebook. Uh, it's all packed. If you press the button, you will again go again. You get the Facebook. You can't remove. You can't take out any clippings, any reel from the Facebook. It's difficult. So sometime I get from like Facebook, Insta also. Then I from take from very rare if I go for that I have to search them first these reels
Okay.
and then if I get then I make go for the make a video over there.
Okay, so people create this type of shorts. So how they get this? From Insta or
Ah,
YouTube?
yeah, Insta me. So that's the reason. Say about yourself, man. Something.
So everything is fine. I'm working and yes, I'm learning. So if you have any question, you can ask me.
Yeah, then yeah, one thing I want to ask how you go for your improving your English.
I have a session whenever I uh, receive any call. So if I am not available that time, so I try to explain them I'm available that day. So I will connect, and then I have session. I also reading books. I like reading books. So whenever I come across any new books, so in English mostly, I read this book. Then I also watch some podcast. So yes, in this way I am learning. I am on
But
the journey.
to learn new vocab or new words is very tough task. Usually can't remember all the time, forget immediately. So, but
Yeah,
any criteria, any standpoint, if you have in your mind,
sorry, what do you want to say?
then learn the vocabulary. Because
Vocabulary.
vocabs, yeah, go for the vocabs and learn and all the time keep it in the mind. And while speaking, use appropriate word. It's a tough task.
Yeah, tough task. And most importantly, you can learn that, but to implement in the sentence, it is tough. Do you know
Oh,
empty word?
yeah, yeah,
Persistent.
yeah,
So you are aware of lots of words. Then there is a phrase looking forward to.
yeah.
Give up.
Yeah. Thrown towel.
Yeah. So you know some idioms like hit the sack. Do you know this? Hit the sack.
Yeah. Going to bed.
Yeah.
Go to
Uh,
bed.
yeah. Read the room. Read the room.
Read the room.
Read. या फिर read. हाँ. Read the room.
Read the present, past, anything you according to your sentence. Yes, yes,
हाँ.
read the room.
To know their mood. Read the room. Yeah.
Yeah.
Keep a low profile.
No, no, this is not in my. Tell me
Keep a
about this. Tell me
keep
about this.
keep a low profile means avoid to paying attention.
Two words. And do you know zone out?
Zone out.
Zone out.
To feel exhausted.
No, no. Zone out means when something is going on like worthful and but you are not in your concentration. So that is the meaning of zone
When
out.
when the situation is good but you are not happy.
No, no. Like something is going on, but you are not concentrating what is going on around you. You are
It's
in your own thinking. You are in your own thinking.
it is zone out. Zone out.
Zone out. Zone
Yeah.
out.
This is
Z
called.
Z O N E O. Yeah.
Yeah, I was aware of this word, but the you said the accent I was not able to understand. Yeah, zone out
Zone.
means if I am here, but I am thinking something else.
Something else.
Yeah,
What's going on around us, we are not aware about that term in zone out.
yeah. Especially we use when I am talking to you, but I think something about my family, sometimes about my office. So I am not present here. I am not able to focus. So we call zone out.
Zone.
In hot water, do you know this?
Yeah, yeah.
Cut,
In trouble. In trouble.
yeah, cut to the chase.
Uh, I read but forgot.
Get to the point quickly. मतलब means you are able to understand the problem easily.
Mhm.
Okay.
And do you know cut the corner?
Yeah, when we try to make the things perfectly, we try to save our time, our resource.
And there is one phrase is also a phrase of a word. When a person is standing sitting behind us in front of you and you are busy with your phone browsing the phone, what is the word is like ph.
Yeah,
This
there
is the
is a
one word
word.
I am not recollecting this time. It was very nice word, and I have made video on that, but now this time not getting the right time now.
Yeah, I'm also forget. It's very common problem with me. I have lots of word, but when I try to explain, I forget.
Same thing. This is the problem because there is a lot of words and expressions. No, it's very difficult to grab every word all the time.
Yeah. Do you know no brainer? It's an idiom. No
Yeah, yeah.
brainer
No brainer. Very
means
easy. Very
yeah.
easy.
When you don't need to think about it's obvious. It will happen. It will rain. It will happen something obvious. Then we can say it's no
No,
brainer.
no brainer.
Face the music.
Yeah, please come you. I know.
Burn bridges.
Banda breezes, yes, yes. Spoil your relation.
Yeah. When you try to spoil your relationship.
Yeah.
Play it by ear.
Play it by ear.
Ear. मतलब ear.
Listen carefully. Listen carefully.
Yeah, it's something. Play it by ear means decide as things happen. Means you decided and the same it was happen. Okay. Then you can
Mm.
say miss the mark.
Hmm?
Miss the mark. Miss MISS. Miss the mark.
Mr. Mark. Yeah, yeah. I know it.
Fail to achieve a goal. When you, it's very easy. When we say I miss a mark means
Miss the boat. It's the same thing. I
yeah,
miss the boat. I miss the mark. It's the same thing. Up to the
yeah.
mark. Up to the mark. Do you know? Do you know
Yeah,
up to the mark?
up to the mark means you are in a level, you are not lagging behind.
Mm. Or behind and this work is like I like it. This is up to my mark. And this is the one word more. It's my alley. It's my alley. It's a Priyanka Chopra's word. It's
It's
my alley. It's
it's
my.
my Ellie.
It's my alley. Alley. It's my
ELY.
alley. Yeah. It's my alley. A
I
double
don't
L
know.
Y.
I
It's a
don't know.
sentence. Yeah. It means that something when it's it your experience and your skill, then you can and your favorite स्किल देन यू कैन से
Okay.
इट्स माय वैली बस ये काम मुझे पसंद है करना क्योंकि मेरे स्किल को टच कर रहा है मेरे को अच्छा लग रहा है देन इट्स माय एली एली मींस
It's
अदरवाइज हाँ अदरवाइज एली मींस स्ट्रीट होता है स्ट्रीट
okay. If you
तो
like something, you can say it's my Ellie.
इट्स माय या
Like talking to you, it's my Ellie.
बट गो फॉर द लाइक स्किल
Okay.
something yeah go for the skill then it is a good word and when you go for the use for the skill then it is appropriate word for the skill uh, it's my up to my alley and this I am this is the word um, pompous pompous
Pompous. I'm not aware of this word. What does
arrogant
it mean?
arrogant
Okay. It is lovely word.
yeah it's lovely word and it's iffy it's mean iffy means if he means
Iffy.
that I am not certain. I want to go the party, but now this time I am in iffy. Iffy. So it
Oh,
means yeah. So I'm not
means
certain. I'm not sure.
you have some confusion. Yeah. When you have some
Yeah.
confusion, you
Yes.
are not sure. Yes.
And you know this on this level, there's so many idioms like I am in a dilemma. Yeah,
Yeah.
we can say
Confusion. Confusion.
confusion, and we can say I am on fence.
When
I am
you
on
are
fence.
not clear, you want
Yeah.
to go here and there. You are not
Yes.
clear.
Yes. I'm on fence. And
So,
some person is searching the job. We can't say he is looking for the job. We can say he is between the job.
yeah.
He's between the job. So really, it's very nice session, man, with you. Really, I enjoyed the company and time.
Yeah, we had lovely discussion and we enjoy a lot of idioms. So we can write on our thumbnail idiom session or something like that because we discuss a lot. Okay then.
It is useful also, ma'am. It's useful also, worthwhile
Yes.
for everyone. For everyone, ma'am. Thank you,
Yes.
ma'am, giving me your precious time
Oh,
and accepting my request and connected with me on my channel. Thank you.
yeah, I also feel the same. Thank you so much for your time. It was lovely session with you. Bye bye.
Yeah.
Take care.
Bye.